Hello, welcome to RC Video Reviews. Today we're out at Joe Nall at the heli line with Clay Payne from OMP.
How's it going?
How's it going, Clay?
Not too bad.
What you got here?
Looks like we're the only one out here, but we've got the M4 Max out here from OMP Hobby. We're gonna do a little flight, a little warm-up flight, and then we're gonna fly something bigger. So.
Yeah, all right, cool. Let's see it. See what you got. Yeah, 2024 Joe Nall. A lot of fixed wing, not a lot of helicopter, but that's okay. That just means we get the field to ourselves.
I'm trying. So really low head speed, and it's a really nice helicopter.
Yeah, it is. Tell us about your setup on this one. What are you running?
So this is pretty much the stock box setup with a V-Bar Neo.
V-Bar Neo.
This is the lowest head speed I like to fly it at, which is about 30% throttle. And it's got a ton of, authority with it, even at this low of a head speed. So we'll crank it up and have some fun.
Whoa. If you guys remember, I have the M4 with the Spirit FBL and my crash boost setup, so I need it to even attempt anything like that. Wouldn't end well. Very nice.
Time is 1 minute, 30 seconds. Time is 1 minute. Time is 30 seconds.
Makes me laugh every time. Oh, kicked up a little dirt.
She's fun.
Yeah, that was awesome, man.
She's fun.
Thanks. Very good. Nice
Absolutely.
flight.
Thank
That
you.
M4 is a nice helicopter.
It's my favorite. It flies like a 700, but it's a lot less to fix if you break it. So
Yeah, more manageable.
the M4 Max is my go-to normally. So
I love it.
definitely.
Nice flight, man. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right.